Taking your vehicle to a big-name chain service provider can be expensive and irritating. Whether you need transmission work, an oil change, or a tune-up. At Berman's Infiniti of Chicago, we offer award-winning customer service, as well as complimentary car wash, vehicle pickup and drop-off, valet, and much, much more. Visit us at www.infinitychicago.com, where you can speak to an online representative to answer your questions now. Learn about our one-to-one rewards program. Find out how to receive 3% reward dollars for purchase, service, labor, and parts. And when you use a certified dealer service station, you get the best trade-in price for that vehicle. Call, click, or come in for more information. Our state-of-the-art service center is located at 1224 North Hooker Street in Chicago, Illinois.